Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Crunchyroll on PS5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is clear out that digital clutter and give your Crunchyroll app a fresh start. So what you need to do is press and hold down the PlayStation button on your controller. Choose turn off PS from the menu that appears. Wait for the power light on your PS to stop blinking. This means that it is completely powered off. Once that light is steady, unplug the PS power cable from the power source. Plug the power cable back in and fire off your PS again. Then the second step that you can do is uninstall the app from the device, then reinstall the Crunchyroll app for a fresh start. Now, make sure your PlayStation software is up to speed. Navigate to settings and to system, select system software, and inside it select system software update and settings. And once you see update available, then all you gotta do is just simply install the latest version. And now lastly, if you have the Crunchyroll app sitting pretty on extended storage, consider moving it into your PS internal storage. Now, in despite of all your efforts, if it is still not working, then what you can do is reach out to the Crunchyroll support team with the following details like your operating system version, Crunchyroll app version, reason, whether the issue affects all shows or episodes or just your favorite ones, and if you are watching in dub or sub, a screenshot of any error messages or codes you are seeing, if the app is crashing mid playback or right at the start. So these are a couple of things that you can do, and that's basically it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.